Global gas prices are skyrocketing and shortages are hitting everywhere. But while the world worries about the grid, I'm turning this into infinite free energy. The world is facing a massive energy crisis. Prices are skyrocketing and gas shortages are becoming the new normal. But what if I told you that you're literally throwing away free fuel every single day? This isn't magic. It's biogas. Whether you call it Gobar Gas or green energy, this simple setup turns kitchen scraps and animal waste into clean, free cooking gas. Today, I'm showing you how to build your own energy independence. Inside this tank, a process called anaerobic digestion is happening. Tiny microbes eat organic matter and release methane. It's the same thing that happens in nature. We're just capturing it to power your kitchen. To start, you need two things: a digester and organic waste. You can use cow dung, food scraps, or even grass clippings. We mix it with water to create a slurry. The secret is keeping it airtight. No oxygen means more gas. In colder climates, the process slows down. I'll show you a simple hack using black paint or insulation to keep your digester warm and the gas flowing 24/7, even in winter. This is how people are going off-grid in Europe and North America right now. Look at that blue flame. It's odorless, it's clean, and most importantly, it's 100% free. Plus, the leftover liquid? That's the best organic fertilizer your garden will ever have. Energy independence isn't just for scientists. It's for anyone with a backyard and a vision. If you're tired of rising bills, hit that subscribe button. Let's build a sustainable future, one flame at a time. What's the gas price in your city right now? Let me know in the comments. See you in the next adventure.